Good morning all of you. I Razia Pathan from Gnanmaji Vidyapit, standard 5th. So students, today we'll start decimal number on a number line. Okay. What we'll start today? Decimal number on a number line. So in that, now see, number line. This is a number line. What is this? This is a number line. So in this number line, showing a decimal number on a number line. How we show decimal number on a number line? So in that, here is a 0 to 7 numbers are there. 0 to 7 numbers are there. In that numbers 2.3. Now we have to decimal point. What is a decimal number? 2 point. Now here is a dot is there. This one is a dot. This dot is a decimal. 2.3. So here is a 2 number. But 0.3. So that 3 number is a between the 2 and 3 is there. 2 and 3 के बीच में, right? So in that, first we will mark the number of the whole number. This one is a whole number, 2 is a whole number. So here we have to mark, red mark is here, right? Then what we have to do? After that, first we will mark the number of the whole. So this one is a whole, 2 number is there. This is a where 2 whole are. This is a where 2 whole are. Okay. Then 2 whole are is there. Now we will mark the number of the part. What we have to mark here? Number of the part is there. 3 is there. 2.3. Number of the part is a 3. Now then divide the part after the number into 10 small parts. Now here हमने क्या किया? जो नंबर्स से 2 and 3 के मिडल में हमने 10 स्मॉल पार्ट्स बना दिए. ठीक है. देन नंबर 3 is there. Now we will mark the number of part. So that one is a which number is there? 3 number. This is where the number of the parts are. Okay. Then what we have to do? So here 2.3 is there. Mark the decimal number is a 2.3. Got it? Now look at this everyone. Okay students. Now we'll start worksheet number 19. In that worksheet, decimals on the number line. Decimal on a number line. Decimal on a number line. So in that, showing a decimal number on number line, show 2.4 on a number line. So first what we have to do? First number of the ones from the numbers to the left of the decimal. Find the number of the tens from the numbers to the right of the decimal. So in that 2.4 we have 2 ones and 4th tens. So 4th tens and 2 ones is there. Now we have to draw a number line. In that number line, 0 to 7 number line we have to draw here. Mark the number of the one on the number line. So in the 2.4 there are the 2 ones. So we find 2 on the number line. So in the 2 ones and 4 is there. So little bit we have to draw here 10 parts differently. So in that there are the tens between the every one. So mark the 10 parts between 2 and 3. So in that 2 and 3 is there. 2 ones is there. Then 4 parts. So here we have to count 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one is a 4. So in a 2.4 there are 4 tens. So we count 4th tens from 2 and mark in on the number line. This is the 4th small parts that we made. This is a small part that we made here. Mark the number 2.4 at the point on the number line 2.4. What we have to write here? 2.4. Okay students, so now we'll start worksheet number 20, decimal on a number line. So in then draw a number line and mark the following decimal numbers. So what we have to do? 3.5 is there, right? So here we have to draw one line, number line. In that line we have to write here 1, 2, 3 and in the last 4 is there. In the last 4 is there. Now in the between we have to draw small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So in that 2.5 is 3.5 is there. So what we have to do here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This one is a middle number. This one is a middle number, right? This is a middle number. So this one is a decimal point. Now next number. Next number is a 1.8 is there. Again we have to draw one line. In that line we have to write 0, 1, 2 and 3 is there. Okay. So in that 1.8 is there. So here we have to draw small line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this one is a 10. So in that 10 we have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay. So यहाँ पे हमें point बनाना है. This is a 1.8. Got it? 4.4. 4.4 is there. So what we have to do here? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4.4 is there, right? Here I have write 5. So here small line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 is there. Now 4.4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4. Got it? Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook first. Okay, we'll complete it D1 also. Then we'll start next. Okay. 6.3 is there. Draw one line. Okay. In that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is there. In that small lines we have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And 10. So in that 6.3 is there. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 1, 2 and 3. This one is a decimal point. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. Okay students. So look at this fourth first. First four first of all complete करोगे आप लोग. Okay. Complete it first 4. Then we'll start next one. Okay. I hope so students your work is complete. Now E1 will start from E. So E 1.9 is there. In a E 1.9 is there. So 0, 1 and 2. Now we have to draw one small 10 lines is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now 9 is there. So 9 जहाँ पे वहाँ पे हमने क्या कर दिया है? Red mark कर दिया है. ठीक है? Red mark is there. That one is a 1.9. Same 7.2 is there. So here we have to write 0 to 8 number. 0 to 8 number we have to write. After that we have to write small lines we have to draw that. And then 0.2 is 7.2 is there. So red line we have to draw here. Red line we have to draw here. This one is a 7.2. Okay. Now 10.6 same as it is. 10.6 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Red marks is there. 5.6. So in that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5.5 is there. 8.3. Same as it is. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. So whenever we find the decimal point at that time जो भी numbers है उसके बीच में हमें क्या करनी है. For example हमें 8.3 फाइंड करना है. सो हम 8 और 9 के बीच में स्मॉल लाइन बनाएंगे. अकॉर्डिंग ऑन दैट लाइन वी हैव टू फाइंड 3 नंबर होगा, वहां पे हम डार्कनेस रखेंगे. देन विल गेट द आंसर्स. उसके बाद हमें क्या मिल सकता है, विल गेट द आंसर्स. नाउ लुक एट दिस एवरीवन. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Okay, then remain work is there. Completed this one also. Last portion is there. Complete it everyone. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Okay, now we'll start worksheet number 21, converting fractions into a decimal. Converting fraction into decimal. Okay, so in that, writing fraction as a decimal, writing fractions as a decimal, write 3/10 as a decimal. So how we have to write? So first of all, we have to follow the some steps. Read the fractions as a sum parts out of the total parts. 3 parts out of 10. 3 parts out of 10. So now total parts tells us the place value. Total place हमें क्या, total place है वो हमें क्या शो ऑफ कर रही है, place value. So in that, since the total number of the part is 10, since the total number of the parts is 10, the decimal place value is the tens. Decimal place value is the tens. So in that, ones and tens is here. Ones and tens is here. Okay. Now we'll start. So since there are no ones, we write 0 under ones. So ones की place पे हमने क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे 0. In the tens place 3 is there. Okay. So step 4, write the answers. 3/10 is equal to 0.3. 3/10 is equal to 0.3. Now look at this everyone first and write it down in your notebook. Look at this and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, now here is a question. Write the numbers. Write the following fractions as a decimal. Write the following fractions as a decimal. So 1/10 is there. So here we have to write 0.1. What we have to write here? 0.1. 7/10 is there. So we have to write 0.7. We have to write 0.7. 8/10 is there. So we have to write 0.8. 0.8. 0.1, 0.7, 0.8 is there. 3/10 is there. So here we have to write 0.3. What we have to write then? 0.3. 5/10, 0.5. 2/10, 0.2. 6/10, 0.6. Now what you have to do? You have to write all the things in your notebook. Complete your work, everyone. I will give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Now students, what was your homework is there? Your homework is you have to complete your work, complete the worksheet number 20 and 21. Complete the worksheet number 20 and 21 and write it down in your notebook. Okay, that one is your homework. And homework you have to submit before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. WhatsApp ग्रुप में आप लोगों को होमवर्क है वो हमें सेंड करना है. ठीक है एवरीवन, आई होप सो योर वर्क इज कंप्लीटेड. Okay students, so I hope so your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day. Complete your work on time. Bye, have a nice day.